In this video, we will show you how to stop WhatsApp from saving photos. If you are using WhatsApp default configuration, in the future, maybe you will have problem with your phone storage because WhatsApp will using auto download media like photos, video, or another file when send it from the others or send it by people. You can set the configuration so the photo will not save automatically. How to do that? You can click your WhatsApp in here. I'm using WhatsApp Business. The configuration is the same with the common WhatsApp. Then you can click three dot buttons on the top right corner and select settings. Please scroll down and you can select storage and data. As you can see here, in here you have the media auto download settings. In my case, all media will be downloaded when people or our friends sending media to us. So we can disable all of this. For example, when using mobile data, we can disable all of this media so it will not auto download when the people sending all of these categories. We can select also from Wi-Fi. Okay, when connected into Wi-Fi, just untick all these options and click OK. Also the same when roaming. With the configuration like this, you will have the choice when you want to download the media, it's important or not. You can select by manual or by your hand. So not all media, if you don't want to download, it will not save on your phone storage. And that's all tutorial how to prevent WhatsApp saving photos. Hope this video helpful for you.